Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G52. Start by going into Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Now click on Open, and from this screen here select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that you need to select Receive on Motorola and Send on an Android. Then click on all of those type of dots over here on Android smartphone and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo, just for example that one. Choose Send and click on Got it. Over here on Motorola, just no thanks and close this window. After that we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Motorola, choosing while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can always just input this key here as well and connect those smartphones by tapping on the Receive button. Now as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!